Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Echo Spot. This is the color black. Here's everything that comes in the box. We have the Echo Spot and a power cord. It takes the 15-watt power cord, and you do have to plug it in the entire time right here in the back for it to work. There's a display on here that's going to light up when we plug it in. Now it's about 4.5 inches tall, and then when we plug it in, the cord's about 5 feet long. You simply just plug it in all the way. With the cord, it's about 3.5 without the cord. Now you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 12 volts, 1.25 amps. The wall outlet sticks about 1.5 inches by about 2 3/4 by 1.5 inches. Let's plug it in. Okay, so there's a really nice logo there on the front. Now on the top here, we do have volume buttons and we can do a mute button. This button right here is the microphone on or off. So if you press that, it's not going to listen for the wake word. It's like a do not disturb. So you simply open up your Alexa app and it's going to start finding it, or you may have to, there is a QR code that's displayed on here that you can add it to your app also. Now this part here is like a soft speaker. This is like plastic, and there is a little rubber here on the bottom to help it grip.
I'm going to make a few.
Okay, looks like it has to do an update first. Okay, so once the update is done, it takes a little bit, then you're able to use it. And now in the app, you can change what the clock face looks like. These are all really, really cool that I like. And that way it'll keep it whichever one you want. Now you can set an alarm with it. Now to snooze the alarm, you're gonna tap it with more than one finger. Just tap it. It'll sense that motion. It does have motion sense. And again, up here, if you don't want it to know, whenever you say the wake word, if you want it, so it doesn't activate, just press that button right there. And again, we got volume buttons. We can change the display brightness. It'll show you what music is playing. I can control the thermostat with this. You can ask it the forecast and it'll show you the forecast. And the sound coming out of it, it does sound really good. I like that it has a fixed angle. It just looks really, really nice. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.